back to Amethyst Adventures, and welcome if you're new. Today is Vlogmas Day 2, and I'm participating in the Winter Fireplace Decor Challenge 2023, hosted by Creatively Miss Me with Stephanie and her guest hosts. Links to their channels as well as the playlist will be in my description box below. So let's jump right in. For the theme I chose this year, it is red berries. And honey, I am going to give you an overdose of red berries because all of my decor has red berries in it this year. The red berry wreath I picked up from the thrift store for $6, and these garlands were $6 as well. Most of the items that I'm going to be using today, I picked up at the at-home store end of season clearance last year. Honey, I got ribbon for like $2, and they were $7 and $8 ribbon, so I really racked up. The red berry garland, I hauled 10 of them from Temu, so there's plenty for my decor this year. So sit back and relax, grab your favorite drink, and enjoy while I finish putting this beautiful red berry mantle together. And I'll meet you at the reveal.
Wind these in with this. And I'm going to give that a little bit more zhuzh. Just give me a minute. Go across the top. And like I said, I'll weave it in a little bit more, pushing it in to the greenery so it looks like one piece. I'll work with that. I love this red berry. Beautiful. And then one more down the side here. And then I'll start kind of weaving them into my greenery. But I do love the way that looks. I just wanted to show you that I weaved the red berry garland into the green garland, and I think that looks gorgeous. And I did it down both sides of my mantle. And let me step back so you can get a full picture. Yeah, I love the way that looks set up, but I don't know, it's something I'm not feeling here. So I want to change this up. Up at the at-home store last year on clearance. I believe it was 70% off, but don't quote me on that. But what I will tell you is end of season sales are awesome. Okay, so since you were last here, I added a second garland right here and twined it into the first one that I had because I thought that was just a little bit thin. And then I came in here on the side with a cute little bow that I created using several types of ribbon. And I did do a bow tutorial last year, but if you need some help with your bows, just let me know and I can show you how to do them again. But I will link that bow tutorial video for those who need a little help with their bows. Okay, so here's a nice big bow, and then I'm going to take this and just give them a curly cue on the end there, and take this one and give it a squash. And fluff, fluff, fluff. Always make sure that you bow. I did fluff this right after I made it, but I'll just give it a little more fluff here. And I think that that came together beautifully. I want it to be symmetrical. So what I did on this side, I think I'll bring this way. What I did on this side, I also want to do on the other side. And I'm going to come in here and put another red bulb.
I hope you enjoyed today's mantle decorating video and that it gives you inspiration or at least some great ideas. A special thanks to Stephanie over at Creatively Miss Me with Stephanie. Honey, she does beautiful decorating, tablescapes, she gives tips and more. And if you're not subscribed to her channel, pay her a visit. I promise you, you're gonna love her just as much as I do. Links to her channel as well as the playlist can be found in my description box below. And if you enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and give it a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. Thank you so much for watching today. I appreciate your support. And I'll see you tomorrow.